Hello everyone, this is Free Name on YouTube. Here's a video on how to replace or upgrade the hard disk, and in my case I upgraded it to an SSD in this Dell Inspiron 2350 all-in-one desktop computer. So this is Dell reg type W07C002 or model number W07C. Getting to the RAM on this system is super easy. It's one screw here and this little silver door hinges out and you can get to the RAM, no problem. If you want to get to the hard disks, it's a lot more. Get a big crosshead screwdriver and remove these three huge screws at the top. So this is me with the machines face down on the desk. You may want to make sure your desk is clear of any dirt or small stones and other things, because you may scratch the screen. So that's the three large screws removed. Then there are four screws that can be removed and one captive screw. So this one here is a captive screw that will never come out. It will just unscrew and be loose. The rest of these all can be removed. So it's 1, 2, 3 and then one in the middle. So that's four removable screws, and then we have this one that's captive up here. So I'll just unscrew that until it feels like it's not going to undo anymore. That noise, that clicking noise, is it in that state. Now from this corner here, or this edge here, I want to pull and hinge this away. This is also incredibly difficult to do and probably requires a lot of pulling and effort. The thing you've got to be careful on is that the top edge, when you pull it, you don't rip all these, because these are kind of through the casing, so you don't really want to flex it over here because you might be flexing these HDMIs and other things. So it really needs to be unclipped down this side and then pulled from the other direction. Aha! There we go. So that cover is now off. That's what it looks like on the inside, if you're interested, and in fact part number there. And there we have the insides of the machine. RAM, which you can get to anyway through the other route. 32GB SSD, which I will take out, because what's the point in a 32GB drive these days? That would normally be used for Intel Rapid Storage. As I'm replacing the hard disk with an SSD anyway, there's no point for that rapid storage SSD. If I had a larger one of these, I'd put that in now, today, just to give the machine more capacity, but I do not. Just try and keep that screw there for the future, for anyone else that may want to put in another drive. Processor, Wi-Fi card, BIOS battery, heatsink, and cooling fins, and the cooling fan. Not sure why there's two large things. Normally I'd say that'll be video, but there's two of them, which is a bit unusual. But presumably one's going to be video, one's going to be webcam and other things. To the front speakers, to the screen, speakers, and hard disk. So it looks like there are four screws to undo on this hard disk, and also, frustratingly, a speaker lead that runs through the hard disk chassis as well. free, and the fourth screw right, let's undo the speaker lead. The speaker lead is now free, so I now expect we can slide this hard disk towards the edge of the case. Oh wow, okay, it's like an HP of old, where the serial ATA connector on the hard disk has an additional converter on it. So there we go, we need to make sure we use that on the new drive as well. I'm going to do the best I can do, which is 120 gig SSD, which I'm quite happy to put into this machine to avoid it becoming e-waste, because it's a 4th gen Intel processor, so it doesn't support Windows 11. I'm reinstalling it with Linux, and then we'll probably give it away just to avoid it becoming landfill. That is the 4 screws on the chassis or caddy of the hard disk. Take that hard disk out, remember the orientation, and then put the SSD back in. Right, got one of them started, so the rest should hopefully be easier now. Good, that's all done, and this little converter doobry just slides back onto that connector, which now means that I can put this back into its where it sits, do these screws, 4 screws up. Whilst trying not to get the speaker wire trapped under the screw. So that's 4 screws for the hard disk done up. I have taken out the SSD. That's the original hard disk, which is really slow, like unusably slow. Time to put the case back on. So I think it goes on, from the back and from the side with the audio connector on it. Then, there you go, that's clipped that in at the front. Clip that in at the side. This side's already flush. So we just need to do all the screws up again. Going to start with that captive screw. So that's all 4 around the edge, and then the one in the middle. And now, larger screwdriver onto the 3 that keep the stand rigid and hold the screen up when it's in use. There we go, all done. I will turn this machine on and make sure it works. And because it's a brand new, or new, empty SSD, I will need to install the OS. And there we go, now in BIOS you can see the 128GB SSD that I've installed. So that's worked. And there we go, that's how you replace the hard disk, or upgrade the hard disk in this Dell Inspiron 2350 all-in-one computer. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, it would be helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the video notifications switched on, but the subscriber numbers are really helpful, so thank you very much.